Before we dive in, make sure to watch through to the end. Mazda has massively extended the warranty for this exact issue, and you'll want to know all the details. If you've just seen the check engine light pop up on your Mazda's dashboard, you're not alone. This warning can appear suddenly and leave any driver feeling anxious or confused. The check engine light is your car's way of telling you something isn't right. It could be as simple as a loose gas cap, or as serious as a problem with your engine's thermostat or emissions system. For Mazda owners, a common cause is a thermostat stuck open, which can trigger a specific code, P0126. You might notice your car takes longer to warm up, the temperature gauge fluctuates, or the heat feels weak, especially at idle. Ignoring the check engine light can lead to bigger problems down the road like reduced fuel efficiency, engine damage, or costly repairs. That's why it's important to get it checked as soon as possible. In this video, I'll break down what that warning light really means for your Mazda, what the internet and dealers are saying, and how much you might expect to pay for the fix. So stay tuned to the end. Here's what you need to know about that check engine light, and what real Mazda owners and experts report. NHTSA ID 11016300 Manufacturer Communication Number SSPD8. Repair from Mazda. There's also a companion Mazda communication NHTSA ID 11016299 that tells dealers to advise customers about this warranty extension. Not a recall. This is a Special Service Program, or SSP warranty extension, not a safety recall. Mazda's recall page distinguishes SSPs from recalls, not a TSB itself. SSPD8 is not a TSB. It's the warranty extension program that pays for a specific repair when the fault is verified. However, Mazda does have a separate TSB, 0100524, that gives the actual repair procedure dealers follow when DTC P012600 is present. Vehicles covered in the U.S., CX-3 from 2019 to 2021, CX-30 from 2020 to 2023, CX-5 from 2018 to 2025, Mazda 3 from 2019 to 2023, and Mazda 6 from 2018 to 2021. Symptom and trigger: check engine light with DTC P012600, thermostat stuck open plus typical symptoms, slow warm-up, fluctuating temp gauge, blue low temp light staying on or coming on while driving, weak heat, especially at idle. Root cause: Mazda targets, fail-safe thermostat in the coolant control valve or CCV sticking open. Coverage: extends warranty for this specific repair to 15 years or 150,000 miles from the vehicle's original warranty start date. Mazda added more 2025 CX-5 VINs in March 2025. Current repair per TSB 0100524, replace the thermostat kit inside the CCV. Mazda released a service kit. It's no longer necessary to replace the entire CCV just for P0126. When it's free, dealer must confirm P0126 and symptoms. Non-failed part replacement or inspection isn't reimbursed under SSPD8. Owner notifications went out late 2024, with added CX-5 owners notified by March 31, 2025. Reddit r/CX5 multiple threads flag SSPD8 and advise owners to get the dealer to check for P0126 and use the extended coverage. Users report successful free repairs once the code is stored. Mazda forums CX30 talk, Mazda's 247, Mazda 3 Revolution, community posts confirm the 15-year, 150K coverage, and the exact symptoms Mazda lists. Long-running threads describe the blue temp light staying on, weak heat, and dealers replacing the thermostat or previously the whole CCV under warranty. General guidance discussions. Some texts note other possible causes like coolant level or ECT sensor, but Mazda's official path for P0126 on 2.0 and 2.5-liter non-turbo is the thermostat in CCV kit first. YouTube and how-tos. Multiple videos show CCV and thermostat replacement for P0126 and mention the Mazda warranty extension SSPD8. Bottom line for your situation: repeat the numbers verbatim. NHTSA ID 11016300. Mazda manufacturer communication, SSPD8 repair. There's also NHTSA ID 11016299, dealer and owner notification about the same SSP. This is not a recall. SSPD8 is not a TSB, but Mazda's TSB 0100524 details the thermostat kit repair used when P012600 is present. The cost for this repair, if you're paying out of pocket, typically ranges from $300 to $600 depending on your location and labor rates. If this video helped you understand your Mazda's warranty coverage, please give it a like, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.